Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to test for an exhaust leak on your car. What you'll need is a pair of heat resistant gloves. I'm using gardening gloves, a blanket of some sort or a cloth of some sort to cover the exhaust tailpipe with. Now all you're going to do is basically cover the exhaust tailpipe, and that will basically force the exhaust gases out of another orifice, if there is indeed another orifice for it to come out of. This is a good thing to do if you're testing out a car that you're restoring, like for example, and you don't know its history and you don't know what's wrong, exactly what's wrong with it. So it's just a good test to do. Do not do it for very long, or you will burn through the blanket or something. It gets very, very hot, the exhaust pipe, very, very hot indeed. And try not to breathe in the fumes anyway, because they're very harmful. So basically we're going to look under the car here, and we're going to cover the exhaust pipe with the cloth and the glove hand. That's getting very hot already. Crikey, that's hot. Right, so I'm not seeing any leakage from there at all. So that's good. Well, that's how you do it, guys. Cheers.